Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to replace the rear differential fluid in your 2007 through 2021 Toyota Tundra pickup truck. Now the procedure shown in this video is exactly the same whether your truck is equipped with the 4.6, 4.7, or 5.7 liter V8 engine.
Prior to removing the old fluid from our rear differential, we want to take some precautionary measures to ensure that we have the ability to refill the differential with new oil. There are very rare instances where the differential can be drained but can't be filled. So what we do here is we take our 24mm socket and ratchet and break the fill plug loose first. Once the differential fill plug has been loosened, we want to take a clean rag and clean up the area around the fill plug prior to removing the plug so that no dirt or foreign material falls into the differential. Similar to how we loosened the differential fill plug, then we can use the same 24mm socket and ratchet to break the differential drain plug free. Carefully loosen the drain plug by hand, taking care not to drop the plug into your oil pan. As you can see here, the fluid is quite dirty at 73,000 kilometers, and Toyota Canada actually recommends that the fluid in the rear differential be replaced every 64,000 kilometers with a 75W90 weight oil. As the fluid is draining, we can speed up the process by opening up the fill plug and allowing air to enter the differential. Please allow at least 10 to 15 minutes of time for all traces of fluid to be thoroughly drained out. While the fluid is draining, we're going to inspect and clean our magnetic drain plug. Verify that the old crush washer came off with the plug, and on the end where the magnet is, there should only be signs of fine metal particles and not large metal chunks.
Do not forget to clean the fill plug as well. Once the oil has slowed down to a slight trickle, take a clean rag to wipe the hole out.
Prepare the reinstallation of the drain plug by selecting a brand new crush washer meant for this purpose. This particular style has a ridge in the center and differs from the fill plug, which uses a flat style washer. With the new crush washer installed on our differential drain bolt, reinstall into the differential and using your ratchet, tighten the drain bolt down to 30 foot-pounds or until it's hand tight. During the tightening process, you will feel the crush washer crushing. This is normal and you will eventually feel the bolt begin to snug up.
Next is grab your funnel with the flexible neck, making sure that the tube feeding the differential as well as the funnel is clean. Feed the little tube into the diff.
Filling the rear differential with a hose and funnel is often messy, slow, and inefficient, and not my preferred tool of choice. I'd much rather use a manual hand pump, a handy oil squeeze pack, or even a pressurized filler, but this was all I had at the time. Fill the rear differential with 3.75 to 3.8 liters of 75W90 gear oil. For those using the funnel and hose filling method, take extra care in ensuring that dirt from above your truck does not fall into the funnel, contaminating the fluid in the differential. Now, our rear differential is approaching its maximum fluid capacity, which is 3.8 liters. Now, one foolproof way to tell if your rear differential is full is that when your vehicle is parked on a level ground, that oil will begin to seep out of the filler hole, indicating that it's reached its maximum fluid level. Now, as I get in this last tiny bit of oil into the diff, I'm going to carefully remove the hose from the filler hole and reinstall the differential fill plug with a new crush washer. Snug the differential fill bolt to 30 foot-pounds or just hand tight. Using a clean rag or a paper towel, wipe the surface of the differential of any excess oil. A clean surface helps you easily identify any leaks that might have developed.
So as you guys can see from my video, that replacing the rear differential fluid in your Toyota pickup truck is very easy and can be done with some basic hand tools. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel, and thanks for watching.